Look at the pattern table and find the missing number. Then record what the rule is. Solve for each unknown letter in the multiplication or division problem. Solve each one-step story problem with an equation or picture. The carnival is in town for 21 days. How many weeks is the carnival in town? There are 7 days in a week. There are 48 liters of water needed to finish filling the dunk tank at the carnival. Each container holds 8 liters of water. How many containers are needed to finish filling the dunk tank? Solve the problem using a multiplication and a division sentence. Use the correct order of operations to solve the following equations. And then use the distributive property to solve.